Okay, so today I will show you how you can preview your geometry node into Unreal Engine 5. You can see there, I have a geometry node there and I have this type of animation in this one. So this is the node of this thing. I just give some keyframes into this node and it is creating this type of effect. And now what I want is I want to preview this thing in Unreal Engine. So before starting anything, you have to make sure that you watch this tutorials that I already made on how you can easily export or easily connect Blender with Unreal Engine 5. Just go and watch that thing first and then you will understood this thing. So basically what you have to do is you have to make sure that in your geometry node, it can be anything. You have to just make sure that you are using this node, realize instance at the end of your geometry node and before your group output. And after this, you have to just export this thing to your folder. And before exporting anything, you have to make sure this options are ticked. The first one is animation. You have to go down and in this one you will get an experimental version. You can enable this one also. You have to just copy these settings to open your Unreal Engine. So in this one you can see I already have this one, so I will just remove this USD and I will just remove this one. So what you have to do, you have to just open this one, select your folder, and there we have our geometry node, but there is no animation there. So basically we have to just drag drop this and then we have to just give some keyframes. So I will just give a keyframe to this one, frame number 0, and then I will just go to 100 and then I will also make this thing 100 and then I will give a keyframe. So now you can see, we can see the animation there. The advantage of this thing is you can just go and change anything if you want to. So for example, if I want to give some rotation to the z-axis, I will just go there. I will just give a keyframe to my z-axis, probably like this, and then I will rotate this thing, something like that. Okay, so you can see this is rotating, and what I can do, I can just move this thing there. So now this is kind of rotating also with that effect, you can see there. You just need to override your older files. So just click on export and then you have to just go to your Unreal, file, reload, and you can see the rotation is also there. So like this, you can easily export any kind of geometry node into Unreal Engine without exporting anything. So this is kind of a preview, and when you're happy with this one, you have to just click on actions and you have to click on import. So after this, it will be properly imported to your Unreal Engine and you can use it anywhere. So the disadvantage of this thing is you will see that you will get so many glitches, because this is kind of a preview stuff, so you are getting this type of shadow issue and everything. But once you import everything into Unreal Engine, then it will convert everything into a static mesh and it will be much more convenient for Unreal Engine to process everything. You will not gonna get any kind of this shadow effects and artifacts on your stuff. So yeah, I think this will help you. Thank you for watching.